Ito naman yung i-reveal ko mamaya. Ito yung topic natin for today. Ano ka ba yung topic natin? Throwback gear? A 10-year-old camera still vlogging strong? Medyo struggle minsan sa mga sa paggawa ng title. Pwede rin vlogging with vintage tech. And then yung sa huli, guess the camera. Or this 10-year-old camera is surprisingly good in 2025. Pwede rin timeless tech. You won't believe which camera I'm using after 10 years. Hey everyone, welcome back to these Fabs Vlogs. Today, pag-usapan natin yung mga related pa rin sa pagbablog ito tsaka dun sa mga lumang camera. Gaya nung ginagamit ko ngayon. Today, we're throwing it back to check out a classic piece of gear. Something that stood the test of time for 10 whole years. This was released in Europe and Asia in April and in United States in October 2015. If you're into vlogging, content creation, or just want to hear about an OG camera still holding its own in 2025, this one for you. Stick around to the end for a little surprise reveal, so you're gonna love it. So for something that's been around for nearly a decade, this camera's design is compact and lightweight. It feels great in your hands and is perfect for throwing into your bag for quick shots or quick shoots. I've got this sa eBay around 2 years ago. I think it's $300 yung body lang siya. And then meron naman akong kit lens, ipiner ko siya dito. Despite its age, it has some pretty reliable features for casual vlogging. The image quality, honestly, is still decent. It handles natural high pretty well. But you might notice some noise when it gets darker. Totally expected for it's this old. But unfortunately, for vlogging is still good even you're making a cooking videos or lifestyle vlog and life vlog. The autofocus is let's call it a little chill by today's standards, not the fastest. But hey, we work with what we've got. One of the things I love about this camera, it's a flip-up screen. Flip-up lang. Pero yung articulated, hindi na. Pero dahil nga ito ay old na, karamihan that time is flip lang siya. But it's purely touchscreen. For all my fellow solo vloggers out there, this is a lifesaver. You can monitor yourself while filming, classic picture, but always a win. There's another but. If you are in a selfie vlogging style, it will cover the screen. Kung maglalagay ka ng receiver ng iyong wireless lav microphone or shotgun mic, konti lang naman na maharangan yung screen. Kaya much better, gumamit ka na lang ng mga wired lav mic from Boya, kagaya ng ginagamit ko. Or yung wired lav mic na free sa inyong wireless microphone, like this. If you in selfie vlogging lang naman. Pero kung ayaw nyo ng mga may external microphone, you can do it without that. About the battery life. If you're planning to vlog all day, kailangan meron kayong spare. You want a spare or two in your bag? I always carry 2 spare and a charger in case na ma-drain o mawala ng juice yung aking battery. Lalo na sa mga longer vlogging situation. Kaya may backup na tayo na battery na sasalo dun sa inyong shoot. But for shorter shoots, it's all the fine. So kahit maliit yung kanyang battery, sa mga photo shoot, nakakarami siya. The most important yung audio. There's an external mic input dito sa gawing gilid, which is such as a bonus or 3.5mm microphone ay input. No compromising sound quality. Pwede kung gusto mo ng mas maganda nga at hindi maingay sa audio, use an external mic. You know, it's wild to think about how technology evolved so quickly. 10 years ago, this thing was cutting edge, but it still has so much charm today for anyone who appreciates vintage tech. Ako mahilig talaga ako dyan. Ikinikip ko siya minsan. Pero pag hindi ko nagustuhan at marami nang meron nun, let go na. Or just wants a solid backup camera. So ito yung aking backup camera or secondary pag yung nag-dual cam ako for casual projects. This one's worth looking into. This music is sponsored by Audio Pro, the ultimate music and sound effects solution for creators. With Audio Pro, you get unlimited access to thousands of high quality songs and sound effects. Whether you're working on YouTube videos, podcasts, Audio Pro has you covered. Audio Pro features from the best artists and sound designers. Plus, new tracks are added daily so you always have a press option for your projects. One of the best features is the universal license. You can use your tracks on any platform and from social media to commercial projects without worrying about copyright issues. It's all covered. Want to create a unique score? Audio Pro offers stems allowing you to customize the music to feature projects perfectly. Mix and match elements to get the exact sound you need. Ang gamit dito ay yung AI-powered search. Audio Pro AI-powered link and match or link match. AI makes finding the perfect track a breeze. Just describe what you're looking for and AI will provide instant relevant song suggestions, affordable plans. Audio offers flexible subscription option to fit your needs, including a lifetime membership. It's a great value for all creators, whether you're just starting out or a seasoned pro. And don't forget the referral program. Earn $30 for every friend you refer who subscribes in Audio Pro. Share the love and get rewarded. Link in the description below. So ready to elevate your projects. Check out Audio Pro and start your free trial today. Link in the description. So ito na yung reveal. The Canon EOS M3. Alam ko madalas nyo na ito nakikita sa mga vlog ko. Ito yung madalas kong ginagamit. The Canon EOS M3 is a digital mirrorless camera announced by Canon on February 6, 2015. Like its predecessor, the Canon EOS M2, the camera uses the Canon EF lens mount. However, the EOS M3 adds a number of new features including contoured grip, tilting LCD touchscreen, built-in pop-up plus. Yun, built-in pop-up plus. Ito maganda rito, mayroon plus. Where is the plus? Yun. Meron siyang plus. And a dedicated mode dial. Internally, the EOS M2 sports a Digic 6 image processor, 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, hybrid CMOS of 49-point autofocus system, image stabilization and interrupted Wi-Fi and NFC, enabling control of the camera with the smartphone app. The camera supports optional accessories including the Canon Speedlight line of external pluses and the EBF DCI external electronic viewfinder. And that's all for today. Before we wrap up things, I want to leave you with this verse. Whatever you do or work it with all your heart as working for the Lord, not for human masters. From Colossians chapter 3 verse 23. This verse reminds me that no matter what tools or resources we use, whether it's brand new equipment or something what's been with us for years, what matters most is the heart we bring to our work. Passion and creativity can outshine any gear. The moment you all been waiting for. The big reveal. Actually, hindi lang big reveal kasi madalas ko nang ginagamit to. Pero ano ko dyan, mas nagugustuhan ko kahit na luma siya. Nasa akin to mga around 2 years ago na. This camera is none other than the iconic Canon EOS M3. I won't spoil it here. You have to watch till the end. But seriously, let me know in the comments, would you still use an 10-year-old camera today? Thanks for tuning in, and as always, like, share, and subscribe for more fun content. Until next time, take care and God bless. And these Pops TV vlogs, in times of problems, conflicts, difficulties, and fear, let us call upon the Lord and He will listen to us. Thanks for watching, and I catch you in the next video. Subscribe. Ito nga pala, abangan nyo sa shorts ko. Under Armour. Ito ginagawa ko sa mga shorts ko ngayon eh. Mga sapatos naman. Thanks for watching.